Now that is what we call a ginormous snowflake. I have never seen giant snow clusters falling before.
Those are freaking...
It's like snowballs.
Snowballs are falling from the sky.
I have never seen that before. It's like it's
That is
giant
amazing.
clusters of snow. That is weird. I have never seen this before
It is
in my life.
awesome. That's like millions of snowflakes.
Yeah, it's like a giant...
You got, oh, text from the best friend. You got clumps of snow falling over there too?
Yeah, it's like I've never seen clumps of snowfall before.
It's awesome.
That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
The battery's about to die.
Yeah, I know. It is a Sony after all.
It's so pretty. It's freaking amazing. Wow, wow.
Seeing the big stuff.
Amazing. So pretty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why I just want to make sure you were seeing this stuff.
Biggest dang flakes I've ever seen.
Yep. Cool. We will later. Cool. Bye.
It's amazing. I can't stand like this forever though. It's so pretty. I mean, those are huge. It's so pretty. Wow. And you know it snowed 1 year ago today? Oh my gosh. I'm getting chilly. I got to go back inside.